AI dropshipping full course. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can start your own AI dropshipping. So let's get into it. Now, there are a couple of things that you would need. First things first, of course, you need Shopify. Shopify is of course the most important thing that you need. You need to go ahead and set up your own Shopify store. Pretty easy to do so. You can just use your email or Google, whatever email you have, you can just sign up, all right? And you can use Shopify for just $1 for the first 3 months, and then you can go ahead and upgrade it to whatever plan you want. But yeah, you need to use it. But yeah, you can go ahead and use it for the first 3 months for just $1 each month. So for $3 for 3 months. Once you've done that, you should be good to go. And now that you have your store, now you need to find products that you would want, right? So here you can see I came up here in DeepSeek and I asked it to give me like a little structure on how I can do this, all right? So first things first, you can see we need these steps right here. So building our AI-powered dropshipping business, a step-by-step guide. It's a pretty simple guide, nothing too crazy. Step number 1 is product research and validation. We need to find profitable and in-demand products to sell online, right? And we can use these tools to find those products. So Sell the Trend, Minia, Dropshipping.io, these are all 3 options that we can use to find them. And then we can use ChatGPT for brainstorming niche ideas based on those trends, right? So these are all free. You can go ahead and sign up, and you can sign up for free using your Google account. As you can see, I'm already signed up over here on Minia. I haven't signed up over here, so let me go ahead and try it and log in. But on the other hand, you should be good to go with Minia, since you can use Minia for free and you don't even have to, put in a credit card. All right. So once you can have Minia, you can go ahead and use, product research tools. You can use Magic Search to find products. This is the ad section over here. Here we can find specific ads that are currently trending over here. This is TikTok ads over here, but we need to upgrade it to find them. But for now, we can just stick with meta ads, and we can go with weekly winners or ready to scale, or whatever. So these are different ads over here that we can find over here. So like this one right here, this is I don't know what this is. I think this might have something to do with feet. This one is to do something with roofing, and we can find different product ideas right here. So this one is, I think, a swordsman. Once it's loaded up, we can go ahead and use it, and we can see there's also AI ones as well. Oh, so it's not a sword, it's more of like a fire or smoker type thing, and we can even use AI. Here is the EU only. If you want EU, you could go with this one, or you can go with page reviews or monthly visits. These are like different, filters that you can use. We can find specific countries, either, Europe or the big 4, which is like, US, Canada, Europe, UK, and stuff like that. So here, these are the products that are, currently being shown. These are active. This was active for 10 days. We can see right here from 17th February to today. This is EU, and it has almost 114,000 and this 1,000 ad spent. We can see how much we would need to spend on individual ads to get those views and within those certain regions. All right. We can turn off EU options. No. Yeah. Apply. We don't need that. We can see right here, all these are different trending options. And of course, they also have the shop options as well, where we can see, trending shops right here. So this is a trending shop right here. FlexFit, we can see right here, these are different shops right here that are currently trending. This one is going down for now, but this one is just going up right now. So if we click over here, open this up. So Shapia.it, it's mostly a body shaping tool that we can use. That's what they're selling right here, but we can have other ones as well. This one is for snows. This one is for braces. Again, active wear. This one is for doggos. This one is for, I don't know what this one is for. It doesn't seem right here. This one is mostly for motivation and stuff like that. So yeah, we can find different shops over here, see what they're selling, and we can copy them as well. This one is mostly in French. This one is in Turkey. This one is in, I think, Switzerland. This one, we can see 69% of it is in the United States, and 28% of it is in Australia, and then 2% of it is in Serbia. I'm not sure, but yeah. So then we can see what we need, right? So once we find the products, then what? Then we need a supplier and sourcing. So for that, we use Deezers. Deezers is a free tool that you can use and connect it to your Shopify store. I already have it. Once you've logged in and sign up with your account, you can easily connect your Shopify store to it. It'll automatically do it. You just simply come over here, click on the online store section, or click on the actually app section and go to the app store, and then you can search for Deezers over there. and then you can install it. And once it's installed, it should be good to go. Then you can find those products over here. So for example, for me, I have a couple of products that I added over here. They're mostly, you know, slippers right here. So you can see right here, these are the 2 products that I added. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And then you can just simply upload them. And then once you have the product, you should be good to go. Next step is for, you know, building the store. We already did that. AI suggested that I use Wix. Wix, I don't want to use it. Wix website, especially with AI, is a little bit slow. It's not well maintained. AI websites in general are not that good as of yet, so we should not be using AI for website designs or anything like that. You can use Wix. They have pretty cool templates and stuff like that, but I'd recommend just sticking with Shopify since it's much more reliable. Wix is free, but if you want to upgrade or connect a domain, like a custom website domain, then you would need to upgrade it account regardless. And if you are going to spend money, I'd rather you spend it on Shopify since it's a much more reliable and it's faster than Wix as well. So step number 3, you can skip that, which is getting a Shopify store. So you can just switch it over here from Wix to Shopify. Next step is for content creation. So here we need to write product description, add copy, and create product. So for that, we can use ChatGPT for the descriptions and emails and stuff like that. Canva AI for generating images and or removing or editing images. And we can use Leonard AI for generating AI mockups for the product, right? These are also free as well. Then next step is for marketing. For that, we can use Ad Creative. Ad Creative is actually pretty free as well, and it's really cool. You can create AI videos right here, which would look something like this. So it's a pretty simple video where you can see the product with background or, you know, video background, and it just looks pretty cool. They also have a bunch of tons of different other options as well, and it's free to use, so you can definitely use it. Pretty simple. You just upload the product, select the background and the motion, and then you're good to go. It's super easy. Then you have your ad creative. Then you can of course just select you know, your it'll also connect your ads account like Facebook or Meta ads, right? Or Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and you can run those ad creatives from this website right here, all in all, in just one section, right? And you should be good to go. Once that's done, next step is for retaining customers. For that, you can use Tidio AI for chat box that handle common, you know, customer queries 24/7, or you can also use ChatGPT that can also help you draft templates as well. Once that's done, you should be good to go. Now you have pretty much done the main step. Now you just need to go ahead and just, you know, work on it and put your own twist on it, you know, the modern 2026 advantage. So AI is helping you gain it, but it's not going to be easy. It's a simple plan, but you just need to pick one niche. Don't try to sell everything. And you need to find a product, use a free trial like Minia or Selltrend to find your product and choose the niche. Then create your content with ChatGPT and like generate descriptions and create some eye-catching product photos with Canva AI or Leonard AI, or, you know, creatives with, you know, adcreative.ai. And then you just set up automations like OmniSend that can help you send automated emails and recover abandoned carts, which is crucial for making sales. And then you should be good to go. So that's the entire course. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.